What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Kraken's margin trading feature. Step 1. Create and verify your Kraken account. Start by signing up at kraken.com. To unlock full trading features, you'll need to complete identity verification or KYC by uploading a valid government-issued ID and proof of address. Step 2. Fund your account. Add money to your account by depositing fiat like USD or Euros or cryptocurrency. Then move funds to your margin wallet. This will serve as collateral for margin trades. Step 3. Navigate to margin trading. Open Kraken Pro or Kraken Standard Trading Interface. Choose the trading pair you want to trade, for example, BTC or USD, or Ethereum or USD. Then switch the order type from spot to margin to start margin trading. Step 4. Set leverage and trade amount. Pick how much you want to trade using margin. Kraken typically allows up to 5 times leverage. Keep in mind that a higher leverage means higher risk and higher reward. Step 5. Place your margin trade. Place a market or limit order to buy or sell the asset using margin. Once live, monitor your position and watch your margin level. If it falls below 100%, your position could be liquidated. Step 6. Risk management. Set stop loss orders to protect against heavy losses. Keep an eye on your margin balance and add more collateral if your position gets close to liquidation. Step 7. Close your position. When you're ready, close the trade by selling or buying back the asset. Finally, repay the borrowed amount along with any interest charged by Kraken. Important legal and safety notes: educational use only. This guide simply shows how to use Kraken's features and does not promote risky or illegal behavior. Margin trading is risky. Understand what you're doing before using leverage. Check local laws. Make sure margin trading is legal where you live and that you're following Kraken's terms. YouTube safe. This tutorial follows YouTube's terms of service and doesn't encourage scams or dangerous advice. For further help, check out Kraken's official support, their margin trading guide, or watch verified tutorials directly from Kraken's website. And that would be all for today's quick guide. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.